Welcome to Fibocan's YouTube channel. You have done the right decision in your life by coming into Fibocan's YouTube channel. Who is Fibocan? Fibocan is a wealth enabler. How do we enable wealth? We enable wealth through training, coaching, mentoring, enabling students, investors to devise their own investment strategies through our comprehensive training programs and innovative investment strategies. So what do? We have published educational videos 1 to 16, module 1 to 16 in English and Tamil. The modules that start from basics of banking, capital market, investments, how to do investment, technical analysis, options, futures, then strategies of options and futures, and finally income tax on derivatives. To begin with, all these 16 modules are available both in English and Tamil. I would request you to go and select the appropriate playlist and watch all the videos and put your comments. So that is the step one. Every day we put videos about market commentaries. Please understand that we are not SEBI registered. Hence, we cannot give any recommendations. We will say whether it is looking good, technically sound, technically weak, has to be cautious. These kind of things we will give, but we will not give any price targets, or we will not give any stock recommendations. Only thing is that we are here to give technical education, imparting technical knowledge to anyone and everyone through our free educational videos, which we put every day on the daily markets, and during weekends we put about global markets. So I would request and encourage anyone in the age group of 17, 18, those who are studying in HSC, higher secondary or plus 2, to watch module 1 to 4, definitely either in English or Tamil, whichever language you understand out of these two languages. And anybody who is doing BA, BCom should watch up to module 8. And those who are doing MBA, CA, CFA or any professional or postgraduates should watch up to module 15. And for professional traders, it is ideally suited for them to watch module 16. I am sure that you will enjoy watching and enhancing your knowledge. Thank you very much. Today is November 16, 2023, Thursday, option expiry for Nifty. Yesterday, we couldn't put our video because of personal reasons, not definitely because of cricket, because of personal reasons. We had some medical issues at family. My apologies for that. But anyway, we will discuss. FinNifty closed today flat and BankNifty also flat. FinNifty closed 19,732.25. BankNifty closed at 44,161.55. Nifty moved up by 0.46 and closed at 19,765.20. Power of technical analysis. Day first day we had said clearly for BankNifty. Of course, for Nifty also we gave, but Nifty, because we need one day before, we will be able to accurately tell what level, what can act as a support or resistance. For BankNifty, we had said that the 50-day moving average will act as a very powerful resistance. While for Nifty, we had said that September close we said, October close we mentioned, but actually it is September close, which is what today Nifty crossed, but it could not close above. That's the level that ideally it should have been. But on the lower side, we had given 2022 close for Nifty, for Bank Nifty, which was 42,986.40. On October close, we had said that as a support. So that is the power of technical analysis. Once again, I say that people who knows technical analysis will be easily able to understand. Even if the market moves sudden volatility, they'll be able to manage with their good understanding of technical analysis. That's why I tell everyone, please learn technical analysis if you want to be a trader. Even if you want to be an investor, it will help you in good entry and exit times. Notwithstanding that, let's go into today's thing. So yet again, we gave accurate analysis. We'll go into today's analysis. First, banks: Axis Bank, ICICI Bank, Yes Bank fell 1%. IDFC 2%. Of course, before that, to the analysis. See what happened today. Nifty opened a gap up. Of course, everything opened a gap up, but all others formed a red candle. Once again, 50-day moving average is acting as a very powerful resistance for Bank Nifty, and even FinNifty slightly closed above that. Whereas Nifty, what happened? It managed to go above the October close. And also September close, not October close. October close, it has gone before. September close, and also it crossed the September high. That's something very significant. But at higher levels, at the fag end of it, just from 2:55 p.m. onwards, it started falling. It formed a reversal candle exactly at 2:50. One can see that in the 5-minute window. And thereafter it started falling down significantly, and it came down closing below the September close. Why I am highlighting again and again September? Because that is a quarter. That's very important. September quarter. Okay, it's not September month actually. So, but it is above the October month close. Okay, why? Because October was a red candle. Obviously, it has to be above that, right? So that is where it is. However, it is the channel is going, and in the channel it is going up. But two resistance that is coming for Nifty is one, again, as I said, that the September quarter close, it has to decisively take that if it has to stay above. And also the September quarter high also it took out, but it has to decisively stay above that. That's one. Number two is that it is near the Bollinger upper band. In fact, it crossed the upper band today. In fact, it stayed above the upper band for more than 30 minutes. That requires a lot of bullish support, but it could not sustain that. So tomorrow we have to see whether it forms in the clearly 3 hours window and the 4-hour chart, 3-hour chart particularly, it has formed a solid reversal. Of course, I have told many times, first reversal has to be ignored. So hence now whether it is going to form a reversal in the daily chart or not, tomorrow we will get an answer. But in the weekly chart, it is above the Bollinger middle band and the exponential moving average. So that is how the structure is. So as far as BankNifty and FinNifty is concerned, it is still struggling to cross the 50-day moving average, which you had given day for yesterday. We said that that will act as a resistance. If it takes it out, then we will see the other levels. Then of course the 100-day moving average is there for both Nifty and BankNifty and other things. If that is also taken out, then we will have good up move. But we have to wait and see how that pans. Okay, because if at the end of this week, wherever it closes, next week we will have a slight pullback. That is what it is in the weekly chart. Okay, that is what it is. Anyway, we'll give that Friday or next week we will tell. So overall, tomorrow it can do anything, right? One has to be very careful because the global markets is all supportive, which is why we had a good up move. And today also, when we go into the analysis, you will see that it is the IT stocks primarily that drove Nifty. That's why Nifty went such a beautiful move made today, in spite of not getting any support from the BankNifty or the FinNifty components. Let's go into the analysis. Banks. Yes Bank, Axis, ICICI fell 1%, IDFC 2% up, all others remained flat. Because it remained flat, that's why Bank Nifty remained flat. Otherwise, no, you would have had a fall or rise in Bank Nifty. And the financials, LIC Housing Finance 1% down, IDFC, Jio, Muthoot 1% up, Bajaj Twins up by 2%, in spite of Bajaj RBI banning Bajaj Finance and selling some products and other thing. I don't know what is the reason why RBI said, but technically any events happens, new event will react to that. But today it opened a gap down significantly and went above solidly. But Bajaj Finserv is showing strong support, strong up move, resistance, resilience, I would call. But Bajaj Finance, though today had a solid up move, but just skeptical. One has to be very careful with Bajaj Finance. So Manappuram made a massive move of 6%. On the insurance and cards, ICICI Pru and SBI cards 1% up. Reliance and the oil and telecom, both Reliance and Bharti remained flat. In the initial till 230, Reliance was also significantly up, meaning at least 0.5% or so. Then it started giving up all the gains that it made. That's why Nifty fell. On the OIT, Birlasoft Wipro 1% up, along with Intellect and LTTS. HCL Infi and LTIM 2% up. TCS and Tech-M 3% up. Emphasis 4% up, Cofor 6% up. You can see that. That's why you had such a massive rally in IT stocks, which supported Nifty altogether. In the consumer goods, barring ITC, which fell 1%, all others either remained flat or moved up. Bata, PVR, Page and Titan 1% up, others remained flat. On the automobiles, Escorts, M&M, Tata Motors, TVS Motors 1% up. Hero Motors had a beautiful move of 3%. On the metals, coal 1% down, all others remain sideways. Health and Pharma, Metropolis Sun Pharma, Thyrocare 1% up, Apollo Hospitals, Lalpath and Dr. Reddy 2% up. The others category, Adani Enterprise, Godrej and Delta Corp 1% down, DLF, APL Apollo, Havels, IndiaMart, Zomato, Indigo 1% up, Jubilant Food and MCX 2% up. So overall, that's how it is. Tomorrow we will see. Weekend tomorrow we'll put our video. Weekends we'll put our global market video. On Monday we will see what is the resistance and support for the next week. Thank you very much.